So, hi! This week, we're actually going to make a project inspired by Questlove because I saw like one snippet from Jimmy Fallon. Yeah, they're on Jimmy Fallon show with Lin-Manuel Miranda and Weird Al dancing to the Hamilton polka, which is just all of the delightful things at once. But they did a close-up on Questlove, and he's wearing this little Lego heart brooch. I have Legos. Well, technically, Lego boyfriend has Legos, but I took some. I thieved the Legos. And because of predictability, I'm going to make it Hufflepuff colored. Also, there's no way I was going to dig through the bucket, which is like big enough to fit me if I contorted myself correctly, of all the Legos, and try to find the exact ones that he had going on. Just kind of taking inspiration from it. And even though I haven't really felt like drinking lately, it's a snow day, so here's what you need. So the first obvious thing you're going to need is a bunch of Legos, whatever color you want. I don't think it matters. Though, was the Lego heart brooch representing something important that I'm not aware of? I'm going to do a quick Google search. I mean, I'm going to make the heart either way, but if it's like supporting a cause I should be shouting out, I'm going to look into it. Oh, it just seems like a cute company that makes them. Okay. Dee and Ricky out of Brooklyn. So anyway, yeah, you're going to need lots of pieces. I'm just doing the single thickness, but if you mostly have the 2 wide bricks, like, go for it. And I'm also going to use one of these self-sticking safety pin guys that I got from Jen at Technicolor Moments. Ooh, she started up an Etsy shop with dope Cricut designs, so I'm gonna link to that below. So I guess let's just get into building it, shall we? So I'm just going for like a fairly vague heart shape here. So as this is my widest piece, I'm gonna put that towards the center, then just kind of play around with it. I think I want it to be 12 nubs wide. It's definitely the technical term, right? Should I try to just do stripes? Maybe I'll try to do stripes. Of having a missing one. Alright, I didn't like the look that was coming with, so I think I need to just take out the curved pieces. Gotta make it more accurately shaped or just stick with the block look. So now it's just a matter of sticking the sticky on. You could super glue them together, like maybe along the back, or just making sure it doesn't seep out between the bricks. As these are not actually my Legos, I'm not going to do anything permanent to them. And now we attach. So I'm gonna go opposite side of this beer patch. So designing it was kind of like going into perler bead mode, where you kind of got to keep everything very blocky and 8-bit. Before you go, I'd like you to join in on talking about how great some of my friends are. First up is Mara Jade. I will link to her Twitter and Instagram below because she posts super cool stuff and is another creative type. So she does really cool work. Thank you to Rob Czar. Congratulations / I'm sorry about everything going on in the new house. It looks like there's progress being made, but oh god, all the stress. If you aren't watching Threadbanger's series about their new house that they bought, you should go peep that. Jeanette, here we are, faring through another snowstorm. Whether or not that's a thing you experience, it's a nightmare outside, but your support has helped me get through so many blizzards. And Team Family Awesome! Especially the past year. Not just financial supporting on Patreon, but emotional support. I don't know what I would be doing without you guys, so thank you for always having my back and being the best nibblings and big sister. Was that too cheesy? Was that not enough cheese? If you would like to check out Mailtime perks or any of the other perks over on my Patreon, I'm going to put a link to it up here. If you'd like to see the weirdness on a weekly or sometimes twice weekly basis, you go ahead and subscribe up here. My hand went way out of frame there. And as I'm wearing the sweater that I altered 2 weeks ago by the time you're seeing this, I'm going to put a link somewhere here of the video where I added this. I mean, it's a really bad snow day.